close or you'll lose yourself before. You might feel like you're running, and you could run for 1,000 miles or more. You can't see what you're chasing, and reaching out to a future life you're sure.